Most tire shops struggle with this. 1 week fully booked, next week completely dead. Not because business is bad, but because there's no system behind it. And the shops that stay busy all year, they're not lucky. They're doing a few things differently. By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly how those shops create consistent flow, repeat customers, and steady income even when others slow down. Stay with this, because one small change here can completely stabilize your business. Here's the truth. Most tire shops operate reactively. They wait, they hope customers walk in, and when things slow down, they panic. This is where most people mess up. They treat business like random traffic instead of something they can control. Busy shops don't wait. They build momentum. Let's break that down. First, they stay in contact with customers. Simple things. A quick WhatsApp message. A reminder for churn rotation. A seasonal check-in before winter or long travel periods. Nothing complicated. But here's something no one talks about. Customers forget you faster than you think. The shop that reminds them wins. Think about it. When was the last time you followed up with a customer after service? Second, they focus heavily on repeat customers. New customers feel exciting, but repeat customers are predictable income. This is where most shops go wrong. They chase new leads, but ignore the goal they already have. A returning customer doesn't need convincing. They trust you. They come faster. They spend easier. Ask yourself, are you building customers or just doing transactions? Third, they upsell properly. Not pushy, not aggressive, just smart. If a customer comes for one tire, you check alignment. You suggest balancing. You recommend maintenance. That one visit becomes higher value. And here's the benefit. When slow weeks come, you're not desperate, because each customer already brings more revenue. Fourth, speed. This is huge. Customers hate waiting. The busy shops respond fast, fit tires quickly, and source stock without delay. Convenience wins every time. This is where many shops lose customers without realizing it. A delayed response, and the customer is already at another shop. Don't skip this part. Speed is not just service, it's marketing. Fifth, reputation. This builds slowly, but it compounds. One happy customer tells 2 people. 2 become 5. Over time, your name spreads without effort. But here's the catch. Reputation only builds when experience is consistent. Not good one day, average the next. Now, let's talk about the biggest problem. Quiet seasons. Most tire shops only start marketing when business drops. That's backwards. By the time things are quiet, it's already too late to fix instantly. Smart shops market all the time, even when busy. Especially when busy. Because consistency builds future demand. Here's something to think about. If you stopped getting new customers today, how long would your business stay stable? That answer tells you everything. The real goal is not just getting customers today. It's building a business people remember. A business they come back to without thinking. A business that stays top of mind. And the biggest mistake owners make? Thinking one busy week means success. It doesn't. Consistency is the real strength of a business. So here's what you can start doing immediately. Start collecting customer contacts, every single one. Send simple follow-ups after service. Remind customers before they actually need tires. Focus on bringing people back, not just bringing new people in. Improve your response time. Even small delays matter. And most importantly, stay visible all the time, not just when you're desperate. If you apply even 2 of these, you'll notice a difference within weeks. Quick recap. Stay in touch. Build repeat customers. Increase value per visit. Move fast. Build reputation. Stay consistent. Do that and your business stops depending on luck. Now I'm curious. Which of these are you already doing and which one are you ignoring? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more practical, no-fluff strategies like this to grow your business consistently, subscribe and stay connected. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.